Hey guys, Mark and Swan here, and we want to talk today about differentiated marketing and exactly how you can make your business stand out from the masses and exactly what other people are doing and how you can make your business stand out through differentiated marketing. So, differentiation and specialization are the process of constantly refining your products and services for your identified target audience and target client. You want to make sure your brand attracts and repels quickly. It's a common mistake to think your marketing is for everyone under the sun. Your message is not for everyone. You should be marketing specifically to your target audience. Your specialization statement is the statement that comes across to your other potential customers that lets them know right away what you're all about. As small business owners, most of our clients and prospects do not really know us yet and are interacting with us for the first time. So we have to let people know as soon as possible what our slogan is with that clear and concise, precise language where the audience knows exactly what type of problems you solve. You want to create actionable content that people can implement and be sure that that content is pertinent to your target audience's needs. Create customer focused content for your brand. When you do this, you want to immerse yourself in exactly what the wants, the pain points, and exactly what your customer needs. Remember, people buy benefits, relief, and results. So you want to know exactly what the benefits are of what you have to offer, what type of relief it offers to what pain points that your target audience has. You want to create your content around this experience. You want to know the exact words that your target audiences use, and you want to use those words. You want to position your content in a way where as many people can interact with it as possible, but where people can also comment and express themselves and express exactly how they feel. Think about what your brand will allow customers to say to themselves. Say, hey, this guy is helpful. How does your brand make your customers feel? These are the type of things you want to think about. And people will be constantly getting information, but something about your brand will definitely help them to gravitate towards you. You want to focus on quality versus quantity. Now, there's definitely a balance to this. You want to be consistent as well, but you do want to be giving out quality content. It took me some time before I really started increasing the quality of my content, but of course, then I started getting better results after that point. So, strong content definitely builds a strong rapport. People tend to know, like, and trust you more when you're giving out that strong content. So even if you're sincerely helping people on the back end, if your content, the stronger your content is, the better. Marketing versus spamming. So on Facebook itself, you definitely can see a clear difference between those who are attracting their ideal customer client and those who are really spamming people, just spreading their link all about, just saying their company name and that kind of thing. Marketing is going to attract your customers, bring them to you. It's pulling them towards you through your content. And there's really only two types of selling: it's prospecting and passive marketing. Now, the common one that people are doing is that active prospecting, and a lot of us are really even doing it wrong. Don't get me wrong. I was a former spammer myself, where I just put a picture and put my link and just shared it a bunch of times. But you definitely want to distinguish yourself from people who are doing that, and you want to market your business in a professional way through your valuable content. Passive marketing is where you create that actionable, again, valuable content. This could be done through videos, blog posts, lifestyle pictures on Facebook with the goal of attracting the right people and branding yourself. So you're essentially doing three steps. You're building an audience, you're engaging with that audience, and then eventually you'll be able to sell to that audience. Guys, I hope you got value from this. If you did, feel free to continue your education by clicking the link in the description. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll show you and walk your hand and give you a course for free where I'll show you exactly what I had to do, where now I'm able to generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day. Some people even sign up into my business on autopilot. I want the same for you. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll hold your hand and show you where I no longer have to hunt down family and friends, blitz at the mall, and do those kind of things. Instead, become the hunted with some modern day marketing techniques. Go ahead and click that link. Again, I hope you guys got value from this, and I'll see you on the other side.